Now, one thing we will order is a maintenance kit for this Buderus boiler. The maintenance kit comes with the gaskets, the flanges, and the igniter. This is very important. We deal a lot with the Well-McLean boilers, the 90%ers, the one that sit on the ground. You have maintenance kits for those. Ideally, the maintenance kit, you'll get the gaskets, you'll get flanges, you'll get the igniters, the whole 9 yards. On top of flushing the boiler, always make sure you guys have your maintenance kit every year. You can inspect the igniter, but if the igniter looks heavily oxidized, even cleaning it sometimes won't work. You have to replace it.